Today, we will learn how to catch top and bottom with smart money concepts and order blocks. We will look at recent Bitcoin action and how to build trading setups. This will be a crazy trading video for day traders and scalpers. You'll learn about volume profile, liquidity hunts, order accumulations, and order blocks. We have so much to do. If you're ready, let's start. Welcome our free trading course, all about price action trading strategies and smart money concepts. If you love scalping and day trading, check out my free course. You can find the links on Google Drive or directly from my website, which is in the description. And please try to watch the videos in order, otherwise it can confuse you. Okay, let's talk about how to understand and trade markets like this one. Most people fear a lot from consolidations, but once you fully understand this structure, it will be so much fun to trade. The first thing I do is a very simple technique. Just put a little circles to every significant highs and lows. Just the ones with significant swings. Now, I'm grouping the circles. Do not worry, nothing precise here. It's so simple. I'm just looking for average price levels where price reacted. You can see these for blocks where the circles gather a lot. Now choose the blocks with the most circles to find my average range. Again, never worry about drawing perfect range. No one can do that. We only try to understand where the price is expensive or cheap. A very simple technique. If you can access to a volume profile, your life will become much easier. The highest volume node will be your range EQ point most of the time. Ranges will look like a mountain. Low volume nodes at the top and bottom will be your range high and low. As you remember, range is a consolidation and order accumulation. As you can see in the volume profile, intense orders keeps accumulating around $30,500 price level. Once you finally identify your overall range, things are much easier. Remember, you do not have to draw a perfect range. What I do is here just get an idea about the price. Ranges are extremely reactive to the liquidity hunts because most people open very big long and shorts from these structures, and market makers love hunting those stop losses. Let's start with my first long trade. Once I noticed this significant liquidity right here, I started to wait for the hunt. However, at the same time, I was wondering what was inside this large wick. Any structure that may push the price up. Once I checked the 1 minute time frame, I noticed this mega balanced price range here. And I knew that I had to watch this structure very closely. Then I started to make plans in my mind. Plan A. Check the reaction to 1 minute BPR. Will the price make a reaction here or any structure shift? This would be a high risk trade because we were very close to the liquidity below. Plan B. If this liquidity is hunted, it is a much better, much safer entry with much better risk management. As a trader, you must keep making plans for entries A, B, C, and D and manage your entry risk dynamically. You cannot take a full risk for all of your entries. Let's see what really happened here and how I decided for an entry. Once I noticed this nice imbalance above, right at the range EQ point, I knew that I had a very clear target here with the liquidity. Then I observed past price action, what really happened there. Notice how the price in a powerful downtrend. by making new lower lows with new breaks here. It slowly goes down to hunt the major liquidity way below. Then suddenly we see this extremely powerful impulsive reaction. And then price started to take out previous highs. Forget about market structure, break of structure, change of characters. If the price keeps taking previous highs, it means that buyers are trying to gain control against sellers. This is what happens here. If you put your optimal trade entry to this impulsive move, you'll see where the OTE zone is. And notice this super order block right at this point with this mega imbalance. Then you can keep looking for other structures. Here we have the breaker block. So what do we have right here? Balanced price range, OTE, mega imbalance, super OB and super BB. And all these happen at the mega range discount zone. And notice this tiny internal break and flip here. Another tiny structure movement. I take this trade with reduced risk. Why? Because the liquidity below still could be hunted. Let's zoom out and see the trade. See how the mega rally started just from my point of entry. This is the power of balanced price ranges. Let's see another trade, this time a short from the range high deviation. Once all the range high liquidity hunted with this swing failure pattern, everything was so easy. All I had to do was just open the low time frames and observe the price action at this range high deviation. Does price have a target below? This significant equal loss was a target actually, a magnet to pull the price down. Let's closely check out what happens inside this range high deviation. Every single price action trader can see the significant market structure shift right here. This was a textbook trading setup with swing failure pattern and range deviations. And then notice this super balanced price range. You must understand the power of balanced price ranges. There is nothing like it. This BPR is also supported by this nice breaker block. Then notice this internal inducement. Basically the equal highs which keep fueling the price for the reverse movement. Everything is good, but since this is scalping, I need to find a very close and a reliable target. You can notice this great imbalance that is combined with significant liquidity below. I love seeing these as targets. All my backtests prove that. These are the most successful targets for the traders. Then this is the trade with a large cushioned stop loss. Why do we use stop losses like this? Why do we not trade like other 50R or 100R Lambo traders on YouTube? Why do we not trade like the traders who turn $1,000 to $100,000 every single night on YouTube? Because if you can build a 100R setup, then Elon Musk would be working for you. Anyway, if you put your premium and discount, you'll notice that this was a short from the discount, and this order block in the premium was quite dangerous. You must caution yourself against the pullback. But this super BPR was very significant to enter a trade here. These are the decisions you have to make it on the go. Then, as you can see, another balanced price range started another rally. I hope everything was clear in the video. Okay folks, with this video we have learned a lot about managing trades and useful trading methods. I believe that it will be really helpful in your trading life. I hope you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you, please take care and see you soon.